Welcome back, guys, to the sister's kitchen. My sister is gonna make some green juice for her lunch, so stay tuned and watch.
Okay, so now I'm gonna add my kale. Adding my kale, I'm gonna add my spinach. And I'm gonna add a teaspoon of Moringa Leaf. And I'm gonna add my milk, my almond milk.
Guys, don't forget to like up the video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Sister's Kitchen.
Okay guys, I'm gonna add some coconut water to my juice because my milk is not enough. So I'm having Grace coconut water, 100% coconut water. I'm gonna add some more to it. So here we go again. That's it, guys. My green juice is ready. You see how green and nice it is? And this is very healthy for you. So remember, guys, like, share, and subscribe to our videos so you can see more of us, of the Sister's Kitchen. And I see you guys in my next video.